We will create the cap now. Start a new part file, standard millimeters, create. This is the drawing, study the drawing for this part. Find this. We have to decide our plan. How are we going to extrude this? How we will extrude or revolve or whatever tools we are going to use. Let us decide. First, understand the shape from the two views. This is the sectional front view and this is the top view. You can see for the slot, which is semicircular, you see here the edges, this one, two, three, four, are seen as dotted line in the top view. Then there is a hole, which is seen here in this front view. In the sectional view, the shape of the hole is clear. It is a countersink, 90-degree angle, and the diameter is 6 millimeters, and the bigger diameter here is 12 millimeters. And this is not actually a rectangular shape, it's curved here. Radius is 30, 72 or 72, both sides, but we cannot do it in the front view. What we'll do, we'll create this as a rectangular extrude first, and then we'll draw this curve on the top and then extrude it, remove the unwanted part. So let us draw this first in the on the front plane. Two circles, semicircles are 32 and are 62. Start a sketch, select XY plane, and we have to project the geometry on this center point, then X axis, Y axis. So we have this X and Y axis at the center point now. And let us draw the circle with the center. R32 means 64 is the diameter, and there is another circle, concentric circle. This is the R62, so 120, 124 is the diameter. Done. Let us create this shape 1 and 2, then a rectangle in between. Rectangle dimensions 104 or 72, 72, 144. We want it as a rectangle, so let us take a more. Let us say 160. 160 is the length, height is 20. So let's do that with a rectangle tool. Just create a rectangle and then later on adjust the dimensions as per our need. And now this side is 160 and base is 20. And now we'll make this symmetric. This, this, and we'll make this symmetric with this y axis. And then what is the level from the axis? This level. You can see here 32. So from the axis, we should take this level 32 millimeters dimension from the axis. This is 32. Done. Then 32 is done. Where we have to trim the unwanted things. For that, let us complete this part. 29 below, and what is this level from center? This is 72. So 36 on either side. 36 and 29 below this. Okay. First we'll draw a line, which is 29 below this. There's a line. Then 29, 29. Okay, done. And 36 from the center. From this should get 36 for this line. 36 and vertically about. Okay. Now we will delete unwanted lines. So we'll stream this first. All right. Now we will complete this first. Mirror tool. Select this and this and mirror line. Select Y. Done. Now we will remove this line. Still there. Maybe overlapping. So there. Now okay. And this. Okay. This already. Now we'll delete the dimensions. This is drawn properly. This thing is to be removed. Okay, done. I doubt that it is double. Yeah, it was double. Now it will not undo. That was double. So I have erased the double one. This is complete now. So finish. extrude. What is the thickness? This width is 64 and it is symmetric. Symmetric both sides. 64. Done. But this is not the true shape because we want to have that curve. So let us complete that. Draw on this or this plane. Create sketch. We need to project the geometry now. So project geometry. What we need is the axis, z axis, and x axis, and the center point. And let us draw the circle now. What is the center to center distance? From the center, this is center to center is 104. So from this it is 52. 52. Yeah. 52. So let us draw that 52. Let us mark 52 from the center. 52. It is marked. Now make use of the center. Draw the circle. What is the diameter? This is 16.5. 16.5. This is done. Now when we do one thing, we'll mirror this circle. Mirror, and now mirror line is this one. Apply. We have it now on both the sides. We can erase the dimensions. See that there is some double line. Done. Or what we do, we'll draw the circle also, semicircle. Right there. The geometry, z axis, x axis. All right. Center point. Make a circle. 72, 144 is the diameter. All right. Yeah. Center is done. Now we have to project this also. So done. And here this edge, and this one. And then I trim it. or finish the sketch. Select the curve. No, stick incomplete. Two and flip it. So done. All right. Only one thing is remaining now. That is the hole at the center here. For that, we need to take a plane which is tangent to this curved surface. So you have a plane here, tangent, tangent to surface and parallel to plane. Yeah, this is the option that is required. Select this. It should be tangent to this curved surface and rotate this parallel to this plane. Either this or this, one and the same. That is done. Now we will sketch on this plane. Sketch. So we need to project geometry. This axis, Z axis, X axis, and finish. Now use the hole tool, hole, a simple hole, and countersink. One, two, and here through three, and the dimensions here. The upper diameter is 12 millimeters. This angle is 90 for the countersink, and this is 6 millimeters. Now you have to locate the center. So click here, and give this as a center. Done. Okay. It has created the hole, a through hole, as per our requirement, which has a countersink, bigger diameter 12 millimeters, and smaller diameter 6 millimeters. That's how we have completed this part. So save this. Just check once again. Yeah, we have created the hole, these two holes, this shape, curvature, this one and this other one, and front side 32 and this is 29. So there is a gap of 3 millimeters from the axis that is taken care of here. We have completed. Save this gap, gap. You can give any name, whatever naming convention you are following follows the same. Save it.